Are you looking to extend your iPhone's battery life? Enabling low power mode is an effective way to conserve battery when it's running low. In this guide, we'll show you how to enable low power mode on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable low power mode from Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Battery. Toggle the low power mode. Switch to the on position. It will turn yellow when enabled. You can now use your iPhone in low power mode to save battery. Solution 2. Enable low power mode from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access Control Center. Tap the plus icon. Tap Adds to Control. Find out how to use low power mode. Add this to your iPhone. From here, you can turn on or off the low power mode on iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to enable low power mode on your iPhone and extend your battery life. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.